Thank you. Okay. Yes. Follow. Okay. Start. Okay. Please. Tulu de panoda tanna.
Tulu padle. Tulu barbudi matre Sajid bhai muppa varsa dumbu enanla launch malli nare enna first check arre tikidini. Probably in the history, first time ever onji producer Rudd generation da jano klena actor na klena launch malpuna. Talab is a love story, an intense love story. With a very, very strong nama storyline, very strong storyline. Third India the worldwide release avundu. Ahanaga onji varadum continuous pandemic atra onchu delay atanu onji varsa enkul wait maltonditta. Suddenly date tikindi, edda date tikindi, December moojetta onje thingolda time tikini promotion ga. So he's been busy with promotion matra. ಊರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಏನಾನ್ ತೂದು ಮಾತ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ತೂದು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಆಯ್ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಡು ಎಂಕ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಉಂಟು ಗಡಿ ಗಡಿ ವರ್ಷ ಊರಿಗೆ ತೇರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ರೆ ಭೂತ ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಬರ್ರೆ ನಾಗದೇವರನ್ನ ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಬರ್ರೆ ಎಂದು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ದೇವಣ್ಣೆ ಅಂಕುಲು ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ ಪೋಪರ್ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಮನಸ್ಸು ಹಣ್ಣು ಪಾಪ ಎಂಕ ಪೋಡಿಂದು ಅದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ತಿಕ್ಕಿನಾಗ ಆತ್ರ ಎಂಕುಲು ಕಾಂಡದೈನಿ 10:30 the flight at Bhattaka, Nalarek Pirabore, ini aina first print the check loan by yard. I Katre Enkulu, I Manasan Ashirvada Getundu Port in the Devi Mana, Durga Parameshwar, Yankle Mater in the Bapanad, Durga Parameshwar, Shamantur la Prati Thingol, Enkul Anand, Enkul Prati Varsha Bondulla, Yanku. ಕಂಡಾಬಟ್ಟೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರು ಯಪ್ಪಲ ದೇವಿನ ವಾ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಂಕ ಯಪ್ಪಲ ಭಂಗ ಆತಜಿ ಅದು ಫಾದರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸೇ 12 ಐ ವುಡ್ ನೆವರ್ ಸೇ 10 ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ಪದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂಚೆನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಬ್ರಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ಲ ಅಂಚೆನೆ ಪಪ್ಪಲ ಎಂಕ್ಲೇನ ಅಂಚೆನೆ ತೂತೀನಿ taught us that success and failure will come and go, but being someone who's liked by people, loved by people, respected by people is what is most important. And that's why even my first question to Ahan was, when I got an opportunity, I decided that I will work towards something. What is it that you've got an opportunity? What are you going to work towards? And his idea is clear. I have my older brother with me, Sudhir Anna, someone who probably gave away more than he even made for himself. So I think we've come from, that DNA where for us, getting something is fine, but giving gives you back more. So I think we're good.
And the first time when I decided I wanted to be an actor, this is the first thing Dad told me actually. He's like, Ahan, if you're not known as a good actor, that's okay. Just be known as a good human being. And that's how he has been living his life, and I obviously look up to him, and that's how I'm trying to live my life now as well.
You are into films. Your son is into films. Daughter is into films. So how does this
We are an industry. Tuluva's industry. We've got two producers. There's Premanna is there. We've got all. No, but it's a good feeling. We discuss work. We enjoy our work. And that's a great feeling. And somewhere down the line, we're very conscious. As Tuluva's all over, if you see, in Vodela Bole, doctors, engineers, bankers, financial people who've lived their life with a lot of respect, and I think that is there in the culture, and that's why we enjoy what we do, but we are very clear that we also need to give back and are very conscious.
I don't think we looked at it that way. Dad and I were very open to doing a lot of different things, but we fell in love with RX-100, and I fell in love with the character. So that's how we went about it, and then everything just kind of fell into place. So I'm very, very grateful and very thankful for this opportunity to have the backing of Sajid sir, Milan sir as a director, and obviously my co-stars Tara Sutaria, Saurabh Shukla, Kumar Mishra.
Bale Anna. And the best part is, it's a very nice question that you asked, because generally when an actor's son is launched, it is always I porlu dojodu, I kuntu edda podu, I dance mal podu, I fight mal podu, because it's more of a showreel of who
What
my
I can
son is
do,
and
yeah.
what a son can do. But I think Sajid Bhai had taken 5 or 6 scripts before he finally decided on this. And when Ahan fell in love with it, even I felt it's not about clothes. It's not about, I've spent 30 years in the industry. Finally, it's not about clothes. It's not about your body. Can you act? We were a generation that wanted to become stars. This is a generation that want to become actors and then become stars. So it fell into his lap, and honestly speaking, of course I know he's been working very hard. Matra ye pala namak, the pan pe rate ghar ki murgi dal barabar. So you get the feeling, will he be able to do that kind of justice? But when I saw the film, the first thing I went up to him and said, hats off. Probably what took me 25 years to understand characters, you understood it better. And I think blessings. The film wasn't made for the OTT platform. The film is a mass film. The film is a true story. It's a narrative that has to be shown on the large screen. The intention, Sajid Bhai na intention hai itni कि Ahan will be launched on the big screen. So probably over 1800 to 2000 screens his film is being launched. We are hopeful that if the content is good, people will come. If you see Suryavanshi, Rohit Shetty again, Tulvere, managed to bring the crowd, managed to keep the crowd. Even though the other films have been hit a little bit, Rohit's film is being successful. So we hope another Shetty can come and do the trick. See the beauty, before Ahan talks here, I'd like to say something here, that what you see in RX 100 is everything, probably 50% of it is unused. Whether it's Ahan's action or dance, he's not even 10% of what he's capable of doing, because the script didn't demand it. The script was more about intensity, script was more about performance. He's a small town boy who falls in love with a very rich, very affluent girl. So it's that story.
Yeah, I mean, as of now, I'm kind of getting that tag of an action hero. But like Dad said, I'm not very keen on that tag. I want to explore different genres, definitely. For me, performance is what I focus on the most, and that's why, like Dad was also been saying, that we didn't really explore. I've been training for such a long time, whether it be dance, martial arts, weapons training. I probably haven't even used 5 to 10% of that in this film. So for me, it's the character and the content of each script.
I think we haven't come to the hometown to just talk about the film. This happened by chance. I'm telling you, it's always a blessing. He was very keen that he takes the blessing of the deities that we believe in. The family. Nagada undu illade undu, bhutada illade undu. Nama bapanada jalide yankalna illila avulu, yankul mallatin avulu. So I think, keeping all that in mind, he wanted to come for the blessings. And then that this thing about small and big towns is the misconception that people have. And in the world of entertainment, it's not that big towns that take care of cinema, it's the small towns that take care of cinemas. It's the single screens and people who believe in what you do, who build you up. Otherwise, south of India would not be the biggest market in the country today. Whether it's Telugu, whether it's Tamil, today Kannada, Malayalam, is probably as big or bigger than Hindi cinema. So this whole misconception of big and small, it doesn't work. But in the film, again, it is big and small, and that's why the film works. Nagarwala Grandsons, I think Matre's successful production house. Probably last 6 or 7 super hits that they've given. After this, they immediately have 1983, the World Cup film that is coming. A banner that launched me, a banner that is launching my son. I, as a father, I think I'd make a very bad producer, because you get carried away by the emotions of your son, and you focus on that. But when it comes to Ahan, I think the opportunity Sajid Bhai gave was, he focused on the script, he focused on the film, treated him like a son. Ichinda 1.5 ವರ್ಷ ಏರ್ಲ 30-40 ಕೋಟಿ ಪಾಡ್ದು ಅವೇನು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಲ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಾಡ್ದು ಪೂಜೆ OTT ಎಪ್ಪ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ತಿಕ್ಕದು they would always release it. ಮಾತ್ರ ಏತ್ ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಂಡಲ್ಲ he never did. He sent the check back to the corporate company and said, here, this is your check. I cannot release it on OTT. The next day, he called them and showed them the film on the large screen. And they said, no, we will wait even if it has to be a year. So I think we'll be forever indebted to Sajid Nadiadwala, and means a lot. అయితే రెండు ప్రొడ్యూసర్ నగులు లేదు టూ ఆడియన్స్ ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ ದೇವಣ್ಣೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಯ್ತು ಒಕ್ಕ ದೇವಣ್ಣೆ ಏಪ ಬಂಡೇರಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಮಿಕ್ ಅಂడి అవి ఇల్లాడు అమ్మ నగులు ఉప్పున అమ్మ నగులు పాతేరు తులు ఐకు జోకులు కలుపు ఆయన అమ్మకే తులు కలుపు
No, I think for this, for Tadap, it was my choice. Dad has given me a lot of freedom. He doesn't try to take control of anything. He lets me do what I want to do. If I make a mistake, he lets me learn from those mistakes. That's been there since childhood. So he's given me this chance to conduct my life the way I want to. So definitely, this decision was definitely mine and Sajid sir's.
And the world has changed. I think we need to let our children explore, enjoy what they're doing more than anything else. It's very important that he enjoys this journey, he respects that journey, and that's why. And the opportunities are too many today. The acceptance of subjects is phenomenal. We never told India stories before. We always sold Switzerland. Today we are selling India, and that's what needs to be sold, because every story out of that small town of India is a story that inspires. And because subsidies were coming, we sold Switzerland, we sold all other countries. I think it's time to tell our stories, which are beautiful, and that's what I think the focus is. This story is a story from south of India, which Ahan is doing, which is an insane love story. Every mother probably will tell her daughter that if somebody loves you, this is the kind of love a man should have for a woman, because of the kind of respect he has for the woman. Yeah, I think 4 to 8 weeks later, which is a normal transition, it goes on to satellite, it goes on to OTT. So you get the benefit of OTT. See, OTT is a platform which is very powerful. For us, it was oxygen, or I would say the ICU during the time of the pandemic. But for me, watching a film on a phone is like living in Mumbai in a PG. Whereas watching it on the large screen is like living with a joint family, celebrating Diwali, Eid, Christmas together. So the experience of OTT cuts away the family for you. The family watches it, but doesn't watch it as a family. But cinema has to be enjoyed as family. So cinema will always be the place where one would aim for. Yeah, but I think Akshay and me are getting older, so I think maybe Ahan and his son can do it, and Paresh ji's son can play Babu Bhai. Because the script is so strong, that and probably we'll play the fathers older. So, yeah, I'm sure.
We can hope for the family reunion of all the sons.
Absolutely, we are all hoping, because I love that film. You're known for a certain. I've probably done 130 films, but if I'm known for films, there may be 4 films that I'm known for and 4 genres. So I'm sure Ahan and Arav will take it forward. They're good friends also. So.